Good morning, everybody. BA Economics, Economics of Growth and Development, Construction of Human Development Index. Today we are going to study about construction of Human Development Index. In the previous class, we have discussed the obstacles of economic development. The main contents of the session is Introduction to HDI, meaning of HDI, three indicators of HDI, and then the calculation of LEI, EI, GDP, and HDI. Lord Meghnad Desai and Nobel laureate Amartya Sen invented the Human Development Index. UNDP incorporated it into its Human Development Report in 1990. UNDP has been presenting the measurement of human development in terms of in its annual reports. Now, let us move on to meaning of HDI. It is a composite index of three social indicators. They are life expectancy, adult literacy and years of schooling, real GDP per capita. Human Development Index is a composite index of achievements in three fundamental dimensions, that is, living a long and healthy life, being educated, and having decent standard of living. The three indicators of Human Development Index value of a country are longevity. It is measured by life expectancy at birth. Second one, education attainment. It is measured by a combination of adult literacy and combined primary, secondary, and tertiary enrollment ratio. Third one, decent standard of living. It is measured by real gross development product per capita based on purchasing power parity in terms of dollars. Now let us move on to constructing Human Development Index. For the construction of the index, fixed minimum and maximum values have been set for each of the indicator. For example, life expectancy at birth. We set minimum as 25 years and maximum as 85 years for calculation of life expectancy index. Adult literacy 0% to 100% for calculating the education index. Combined growth enrollment ratio, and then we consider real GDP per capita for calculating GDP index. For any component of the HDI, individual indices can be calculated by applying the following formula, that is, dimension index is equal to actual value minus minimum value divided by maximum value minus minimum value. Now let us work out with an example. First indicator, that is life expectancy index. If life expectancy at birth of a nation is 78 years, then life expectancy index would be LEI is equal to 78 minus 25 divided by 85 minus 25 as mentioned in the above slide, the formula for calculation. Therefore, after calculating, the value will be for life expectancy index is 0.884. Second indicator, that is education index. It is the combination of adults literacy index and gross enrollment index. If adult literacy rate of nation is 92, then its adult literacy index would be ALI is equal to 92 minus 0 divided by 100 is equal to 0.92. If combined gross enrollment is 60, then its gross enrollment index would be GEI is equal to 60 minus 0 divided by 100 minus 0. The value will be 0 0.6. Therefore, the education index will be 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 0 plus 0.813. Therefore, the education index value will be 0.813. The third index, that is GDP index. If GDP per capita of the nation is $8,840, then GDP index will be log 8,840 minus log 100 whole divided by 40,000 minus log 100. The value of GDP index is equal to 0.748. The fourth calculation will be that of Human Development Index. Human Development Index is a simple average of life expectancy index, education index, and adjusted GDP per capita index. Therefore, the value of HDI will be 0.815. In this way, in this session, we have understood about the meaning of HDI as well as the calculation of Human Development Index. Thank you, one and all.